that time of the year again. It's Christmas 2019. Come and decorate with me for Christmas. Here in the Philippines, Christmas season starts as early as September because it's the start of the bear months. Every year, I was always the one to decorate for Christmas. So if you want to see and have some ideas on how to decorate for Christmas, just keep on watching! I use plastic bins to store our Christmas decors. Gather all the Christmas decor and ornaments on the table so that you can see which one you would like to use for the decoration. Bubble wrap to protect your ceramic decor. My color theme for this year is touches of blue, pink, and white. Now it's time for us to set up our Christmas tree. I bought this Christmas tree many years ago from SM department store. It's a very slim, 5 feet tall Christmas tree. It doesn't take too much space, so this tree is perfect in this corner. Spread the branches out to make the tree look fuller. Finally, after a few moments later, the Christmas tree is up. Now it's the time to put the Christmas lights around the Christmas tree. I bought these Christmas ornaments from different stores like SM Department Stores, Mandaue Home, and the Titan Arcade.
And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love
Merry Christmas!
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting, ting. Lovely weather for sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is
So I bought the star from SM Department Store.
lovely weather for sleigh ride together with you. Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting, ting. Lovely weather for sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling, friends are calling you.
I made this garland from our old Christmas tree. I just added some ornaments, flowers, and other decorations and ribbons. So I will hang this on our sliding door. I also made one for our window and one for our china cabinet. Now it's time to tackle the stairs. I also attached a garland for the stairs. After attaching the garlands on the stairs, you can now put some Christmas ornaments, ribbons, or other decorations that you like. I also use battery-operated Christmas lights that I bought from Lazada. I also use white twigs to decorate the wall above the TV. I use commando strip to hold the twigs in place. And then added some pink and blue Christmas balls. I just added pink and blue Christmas balls to this Christmas decor. I also made this Christmas flower arrangement from an old flower pot. Another Christmas idea is to put these Christmas balls in a decorative bowl. Christmas floral arrangement. I bought from the Fountain Arcade. I also attached a garland on the front door and then put some fairy lights or battery-operated Christmas lights that I also bought from Lazada.
One eternity later.